Welcome back to Tap Tech. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI has once again pushed the boundaries of what a compact drone can do. The Mini 5 Pro builds on the success of the Mini 4 Pro but brings a whole new level of performance and features. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or even a professional creator, this drone might just become your new favorite gear. Let's talk about what makes the Mini 5 Pro so exciting. DJI has kept the weight under 249 grams, which is important for travel and drone regulations in many countries. You can fly it without registration in most places. But don't let its small size fool you. This drone is packed with power and intelligence. It's light, fast, stable, and now more capable than ever before. The Mini 5 Pro features a new 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a big jump from the Mini 4 Pro. It lets you shoot at 4K resolution, now up to 120 frames per second. It also captures 48MP still photos, delivering stunning detail and sharpness. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes or tight shots, the footage looks incredibly clear, vibrant, and professional. It also performs better in low light with less noise and better color retention. Dynamic range has improved a lot. Shadows and highlights are more balanced, which gives a more cinematic result. The color science has also been tuned with better support for D-Log and HDR modes. You get more control over your color grading if you're into editing. The footage coming straight out of the drone already looks amazing, even before post-processing. The gimbal design has been improved as well. You can now tilt the camera vertically up to 90 degrees, perfect for vertical content like Instagram, Reels or TikToks. This makes it easier to shoot for social media directly without needing to crop or rotate your footage later. Another major highlight of the Mini 5 Pro is the enhanced obstacle avoidance system. The drone comes with omnidirectional sensors. That means it can detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, forward, backward, upward, downward, and even from the sides. This is a massive upgrade for safety and smooth flying, especially when you're navigating complex environments. The Mini 5 Pro also uses the latest version of DJI's Active Track. It's more precise, smoother, and better at following subjects even when they're moving quickly or change direction suddenly. Whether you're tracking a car, a bike, or just walking, the tracking is stable and looks professional. Flight time is also impressive. The standard battery gives you up to 34 minutes of flight time. But if you opt for the extended battery, you can fly for around 45 minutes. That's more than enough for most casual and even pro shoots. Battery charging has also been improved. Fast charging via USB-C makes sure you're back in the air quickly. And yes, it's compatible with DJI's new charging dock and charging hub for easy top-ups. One of the best parts is the transmission system. The Mini 5 Pro supports OcuSync 4.0, which offers a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers. That's a significant leap. It means stronger signals, less lag, and better video feed even in areas with some interference. The live feed streams in 1080p at 60 frames per second, which is great for both piloting and monitoring what you're capturing. The RC Pro 2 controller pairs beautifully with the Mini 5 Pro. It has a built-in bright screen, improved battery life, and smoother performance. It feels premium, responsive, and gives you a pro-level control experience. If you're used to flying with a phone attached, this will feel like a huge upgrade. Plus, the DJI Fly app has also been updated to better support the Mini 5 Pro. It now includes smarter shooting modes and better UI for beginners and pros alike. Speaking of shooting modes, DJI has brought in new intelligent features. Master Shots, Quick Shots, Hyperlapse, Panorama, and Smart Photo are all available, and they work faster and more reliably. There's also a new cinematic mode that slows down the drone's movement for smoother, more elegant shots. It's great for dramatic reveals or slow fly-throughs. Storage options remain flexible. The Mini 5 Pro has onboard memory of 8 GB, which is useful for emergencies, but most people will want to use a micro SD card. It supports high-speed cards for 4K 120 frames per second recording, so make sure to use a reliable brand. Now let's talk about the overall build. DJI has refined the design once again. The Mini 5 Pro looks sleek, slightly more aerodynamic, and feels even more premium in the hand. The propellers are quieter than before, and it handles wind better due to improved stabilization software and motor performance. Even in slightly windy conditions, the drone flies smooth and stable. It feels like you're flying something twice its size and price. For professionals and content creators, the Mini 5 Pro is now a legitimate choice for certain types of paid work. The footage is clean, stable, and cinematic enough for travel vlogs, product commercials, real estate videos, and more. While bigger drones like the Mavic 4 Pro have more sensors and camera control, the Mini 5 Pro gets very close in many ways, and at a much more accessible price. Speaking of price, DJI has done something smart here. The Mini 5 Pro starts at around $899 with the basic controller. If you want the Fly More combo, which includes 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, extra props, and a carrying case, it goes up to around $1,099. The version with the RC Pro 2 controller comes in around $1,199. That's still less than many pro-level drones and yet offers features that rival them in real-world USEAS for the release. DJI has officially announced the Mini 5 Pro in the second half of 2025, with shipping starting in most regions shortly after. Pre-orders have already opened in key markets, and stock is expected to be limited due to high demand. So if you're thinking of getting one, it might be a good idea to place your order early. DJI has also promised long-term support for the Mini 5 Pro. Firmware updates are expected regularly, and third-party accessories are already being developed. This means you can expect the drone to get even better over time. With DJI's track record, that's a big plus. Now let's talk about who this drone is for. If you're a beginner looking for a drone that's easy to fly but also future-proof, this is it. If you're a content creator looking to improve your travel, vlog, or short-form video content, it offers fantastic video quality. And if you're a professional who needs a reliable backup drone or something more portable, this will impress you. That said, there are a few small downsides. It's not weatherproof, so flying in the rain or snow isn't recommended. The internal storage is also limited, so having a good microSD card is essential. And while the video quality is excellent, it's not quite at the level of larger drones like the Inspire series, which is expected given the size and price. But for most use cases, those are very minor compromises. One more thing, DJI has made this drone more beginner-friendly than ever. The tutorials inside the DJI Fly app are simple and clear. There's also a beginner mode that limits speed and altitude until you get more confident. The return-to-home system is smarter now and uses obstacle avoidance during landing. That's a lifesaver in tight spaces or unfamiliar places. DJI also added support for remote ID, which makes the Mini 5 Pro compliant with new drone laws in the US and other countries. This means you can fly confidently knowing you're flying legally and safely. It's another sign that DJI is building this drone for the future, not just today. So overall, what do we think of the DJI Mini 5 Pro? It's one of the most complete compact drones ever made. It combines high-quality video, smart safety, intuitive controls, and a compact form factor, all in one device. DJI listened to user feedback from the Mini 4 Pro and delivered real, useful upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro proves that small drones can still be powerful, professional, and fun to fly. If you're in the market for a new drone, this should be near the top of your list. It brings so many features into a lightweight body that it's hard to believe it doesn't require registration in most places. Whether you're filming your next adventure, capturing epic shots for your brand, or just flying for fun, the DJI Mini 5 Pro makes the experience better than ever. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on Tap Tech. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed tech reviews. We'll be back soon with more coverage on the latest gadgets and innovations. Until next time, fly safe and take care.